Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to turn off Instagram account notifications. So watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account, click your profile and click menu, click the notifications. How you use Instagram notifications, and click push notifications. Paste, click pass all. And for example, for 50 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. For example, 50 minutes. Okay, my account is 50 minutes. Pass all notification. My notification turn off. If you want to turn on your notification, click the stick. My notification turn off and my notification turn on. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tech on Tech.